الله وبركاته. الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى أهله وصحبه ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. Amen. Now, alhamdulillah, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has spared our lives to this moment. We ask Him to bless our endeavors. Amen. Now, inshallah, tonight we are going to be looking at continuation of the Mujarrad and Mazid. So tonight we are looking at Mujarradul الرباعي ومزيده, meaning the four-letter radical verb ومزيده and its increments. Before now, about some classes away, we treated Mujarrad and Mazid. So I hope it's still fresh in our minds. Now, so like we said, Rubai, only fa'ala in the Rubai verbs, only fa'ala is Mujarrad, meaning the whole of the letters are the root letters. You cannot remove one. It will spoil it. You can't append it. So meaning these all letters are its root letters. Okay? Now, so this is the Mujarrad Rubai. So it can have it has two mazid. So it can either be mazid bi harfin, meaning extra letter is added to it, or mazid bi harfaini, two letters are added to it. So it can be, so for the first letter added to it will be ta. So it will give us, it is fa'ala. Adding just ta to it will give us tafa'ala. Or we get tafa'ala. So, or we add two letters to it. So that is this alif and nun. So now give us what? If anlala. If anlala. Or we add an alif to it and extra lam. So we have what? If alalla. So you get. So fa'ala, that is the mujarrad root letter. Its mazid are either, see 5, meaning 5 letters, 6 letters. So the 5-lettered one is tafa'ala. And the 6-lettered one can either be if anlala or if alalla. Now, so let's see examples of fa'ala, meaning the mujarrad, the root letter. So we have dahraja. Dahraja means what? He rode it. So if I say dahraja zaydun al-hajarata, Zayd rode the stone. You get Zayd rode the stone. Kosha'ara, meaning he shook, he trembled. Kosha'ara. Harjama, he gathered something. It's usually used for livestock. So it can be gathered, maybe the camels, he gathered the sheep and all like that. So you can see all of these are the example of fa'ala, meaning all of them are the letters contained in all of these are their root letters. You can't remove any of them. You can't remove any of them. Now, so now the mazid that we now have, the first one, we have what? Tafa'ala, meaning, it is formed from these letters by adding an extra ta to it. So you see here we have tadahraja. So you definitely is formed by adding ta to this dahraja. So we said dahraja means he rode. You get. So tadahraja means what? To be rode. So if I say tadahrajatil hajaratu, the stone road, you get. So it is, like we have done in, so this is Nahw actually, but we are not concerned with surf. I would have said it is mutawa. Like we saw this verb, someone did the action, but here the action was done. We don't know who did it, but that is surf. So tadahraja. So here now this is mazid rubai. Ta is added to this. We have tagol gola. So this is coming from where actually? It's coming from gola, meaning he penetrated. You can see gola Zaydun al-Qasra. Zayd penetrated the castle. So this one called tagol al-Qasr. The castle was penetrated. You get. So this is the mujarrad, meaning the root letters. Then this is mazid. It is added, an extract is added to it. So this is like an extract of this. So let's see. So that's 5 letters. Now for 6 letters we have what? If anlala, addition of alif and nun. If anlala. So we have what here? Ihranjama. I said harjama means harjama Zaydun al-ibla. Zayd gathered the camels. How about this? Ihranjamatil iblu. the camels were gathered. You can see also the camels were gathered. So this is is formed from this harjama. Then this also, if ronqa, so farqa, meaning is splitted, or he made something to scatter away from him. So if ronqa, meaning to be scattered. I hope you get. So it is coming from farqa, from farqa, you know now, is fa'ala. So farqa, if ronqa, to be scattered. Now lastly we have if alalla, alif and an extra lam is added to it. So we have ik sha'arro, meaning it's coming from kosh'aro. It's coming from kosh'aro. What does it kosh'aro? Kosh'aro means he shook, he trembled. So if I say kosh'aro zaidun, Zaid trembled. But if I say ikusha'arro zaidun, Zaid trembled violently, like very much, is more intense than this. Again, I mean, we are talking about, so I would have said this is mubalagha to lazim, because kosh'aro here is lazim, meaning he did the action by itself, but mubalagha to lazim, he did it to a much larger extent than it is being done here. So again, we have itma'anna. So I should have written Tom Anna here, meaning he was calm. Tom Anna, he was relaxed. Tom Anna, he was relaxed. Itma'anna, he was very relaxed. You know, in Quran, ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. By the remembrance of Allah, the hearts are relaxed, are calm. So you can see. So Tom Anna, he was relaxed to a certain extent, but Itma'anna, he was very relaxed. How we get? So that is mujarrad al-ruba'i wa maziduhu. So again, just recap before we go to the text itself. So fa'ilala, the whole of it is the mujarrad, meaning no letter, all the letters contained here are its root letters. You cannot remove anyone. All of them are its root letters. So it can have an increment by adding an extra letter or two letters. By adding an extra letter, we have tafa'ilala, that's extra ta. Then if anlala, we have alif and nun added to it. Or if alalla, alif and extra lam. All that is gotten. Now, so let's proceed to our Kitab Muqarrad, meaning the reference book, Nahw al-Wadi al-Juz'u al-Thalith. So here we have mujarrad al-ruba'i wa maziduhu. The topic we have here, the four-letter radical verb and its increments. Now, so let's see the qaida. So the qaida says that mazid al-ruba'i. So when we are talking about the four-letter radical verb, takunu ziyadatuhu, its increments will be harfan, by an extra letter, meaning, you know, they didn't display that for us, but see, we said this is mazid rubai, okay, the four-letter radical verb. Takunu ziyadatu, its increment will be harfan, by adding an extra letter, meaning we have tafa'lala, aw harfaini, or we add extra two letters to it, and that will be, we can have these two. Imma, we have if anlala, or we have what? If alalla. How we get? Now, so now let's see the amthila we have here. They said, ba'thara al-hawa'u al-warqa. Ba'thara al-hawa'u al-warqa. What's the meaning of that? So the hawa, meaning breeze, scattered the leaves. You know, warqatun, warqun, that's the jamu. So ba'thara al-hawa'u al-warqa. The breeze scattered the leaves. Naam, jayid. So we now have the mazid now. Taba'thara tafa'ilala. Taba'thara al-waraqu. The leaves became scattered. You can see now. That is an increment one, and we can see the person that did the job. So taba'thara al-waraqu, the leaves became scattered. Now moving on, we have harjama ar-ra'i al-ibla. The shepherd gathered the camels. So iblu is jamu, is jamalun is camel. Jimal is jamu. Iblu is also camel. So it's not just one. Camels. So harjama ar-ra'i al-ibla. The shepherd gathered the camels. Okay. Ihranjamat al-iblu. The camels were gathered. The camels were gathered. What do we need there? The mazid. Ihranjama is coming from harjama. I hope you get that. So lastly we have some anatabibu al-marido. al-marido. The doctor calmed the sick patient. I hope you get. Now we have itma'an al-maridu. The sick patient was calm or became calm. I hope you get. So that is mujarrad rubai wa mazidu for you. So meaning the 4 letters radical verb and their increments. So that is where we are going to stop to this class because we've done it before. You can see, check, inshallah, the link will be sent to the comment section. So let's endeavor to watch, like and share the videos. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it beneficial for us in life and the year after. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.